What is Cushing's disease? Is your dog showing signs of weakness, laziness, or their urine gives off a foul smell? If you notice these signs, it is a possibility your dog may be suffering from Cushing's disease. In this Gen X Pets video we will be examining Cushing's disease to see the signs, symptoms, treatments, and the breeds of dogs that are susceptible to it. So, stay with us for the entire video. We want to warmly welcome you to the channel, and we encourage those persons that are not yet subscribed to do so to be notified when we drop a new video weekly. Now, let us get right into the video. What is Cushing's disease in a dog? Cushing's disease, hyperadrenocorticism, is a serious health condition in dogs that occurs when the adrenal glands overproduce cortisol or cortisone in the animal's body. Excess cortisol can put a dog at risk of several serious conditions and illnesses, from kidney damage to diabetes, and can be life-threatening. Next you may ask, what dog breeds are prone to Cushing's disease? Cushing's is more prevalent in some breeds such as Poodle, Dachshund, Yorkshire Terrier, German Shepherd, Dandy Dinmont, Boxer, Boston Terrier, Maltese. Some people may wonder, do dogs with Cushing's smell? You should watch for signs of urinary issues such as increased frequency of urination, foul odor to the urine, straining to urinate, and/or blood in the urine. If you observe any of these signs, take your dog to the veterinarian right away. But, what happens if Cushing's is left untreated in dogs? If Cushing's disease is left untreated, dogs tend to become progressively lethargic and weak. They have an increased susceptibility to contracting infections, particularly urinary infections, and the skin is slow to heal after any injury. If you are finding value so far from this video, kindly drop a like, so more pet lovers like yourself can benefit from it. We highly appreciate it. Next we will look at, what are the final stages of Cushing's disease in dogs? As the disease progresses, dogs lose muscle and become weak. You might notice a thinning of the skin, lesions on the skin, and hair loss on the flanks, neck, and perineum. Obesity and lack of energy are also symptoms that may occur. But you may be curious, what should dogs with Cushing's eat? Simply put, foods low in fat with moderate fiber. Dogs with Cushing's disease have elevated levels of cortisol, which increases triglycerides and cholesterol. To help combat these increases, a food that's lower in fat and moderate in crude fiber is reasonable. How long do dogs live with Cushing's disease? Dogs with Cushing's disease can be expected to live 3 years, or even longer, after diagnosis with appropriate treatment and a little bit of luck. But bear in mind that, while this is a condition that can often be successfully managed, it is only rarely cured. But the big question is, how do you get rid of Cushing's disease in dogs? The only way to cure Cushing's disease is to remove the adrenal tumor, if the disease is adrenal dependent and the tumor hasn't spread further. However, because of the complexity and risks of the surgery, most cases are treated with medication. We sincerely wish for your dog a long life of joy as you continue to grow your friendship. Let us know in the comments if your dog has displayed any symptoms of Cushing's disease and how you went about alleviating it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will join us next time for another exciting video in the world of pets.